Your thyroid gland is an important organ located in front of your windpipe, just below your voice box. This small gland regulates all body functions. How does such a small organ do this? Your thyroid is responsible for controlling metabolism, how your body uses energy. The hormones your thyroid makes influence every cell in your body. They tell your body's organs how fast or slow to work. When you have a thyroid disorder, your organs no longer work at the right place. With thyroid disorders, you either have too much or too little thyroid hormone. Too much hormone revs your metabolism too high. You end up feeling hot, nervous, or irritable. Other symptoms include trouble sleeping, weight loss, increased sweating, trembling, and a rapid heartbeat. Too little hormone slows your metabolism. The symptoms include feeling cold, weak, tired, or depressed. Other symptoms include dry skin and hair, weight gain, and constipation. You should also know that the thyroid gland secretes thyroxine, a hormone. Now, first, we're going to show you the most common types of thyroid gland disorders, and then, we're going to show you the best way to treat and cure your thyroid gland. Hypothyroid is a miracle drink recipe. You will need the following ingredients: ground cinnamon, ½ teaspoon. Ground ginger, ½ teaspoon. Ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon. Freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1/4 cup or 1 to 2 lemons. Freshly squeezed orange juice, 3/4 cup or 3 oranges. 100% pure and unsweetened cranberry juice, 1 cup. 7 cups of purified water. Here's what you need to do first: you need to bring water to a boil, add cranberry juice, reduce heat to low. Add cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg, stir, and let simmer for 20 minutes, let it cool down to room temperature. Stir in orange and lemon juices. And yes, that's it. Add some ice cubes, if you want, and savor this healthy and enticing thyroid drink. Note, as you can see, the main ingredient in this recipe that helps your thyroid are cranberries, which are high in iodine. The rest provides you with an additional dose of vitamin C, anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer nutrients.